how YouTube can change your life. This is how YouTube changed my life with less than 300 followers. Keep on watching to find out more. Hey there, we're a travel-loving family creating awesome videos about destinations worldwide to help you plan your own epic adventure with ease. Growing on YouTube is not about 1,000 views or 1,000,000 views or making money or getting monetized, but it's more about the journey to become more successful. Your journey in creativity, learning how to post better content, and to grow personally and professionally. Now, to give you more context about this story, I have to go back in time. It all started for me back in 2022 when I realized I need to take my content more serious on YouTube. I had to decide what I want my content to look like. What are things that I feel passionate about? And it should match my lifestyle. And I realized that I love travel, I love food, and I love my family. How can I combine this into something that's sustainable? At this point, I had only around 200 followers and I was posting random pieces of content that didn't really align with my brand. So I did a little bit research on YouTube and watched videos about growth, and I came to realize that YouTube actually offers a lot of tools for creators to help guide them on their journey, and these tools are really beneficial if you know how to use them, and that is what I want to share with you guys today. If you head over to your YouTube studio and you click into channel analytics, you can find there's a section that is called Find Inspiration. If you click on Find Inspiration, YouTube has a whole content video strategy brief layout that you can use. There are even hooks for your videos that you can copy and paste. It even gives you an outline of how to structure your video from start to the end. You can also save the information to help you when you want to come back, and there are different options of topics you can choose from. It even gives thumbnails, which is great to use. So definitely save this video and come back and let us know in the comment section if this was helpful for you. Follow along for part 2.